Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change or fix the inverted camera on iPhone, especially when the front camera looks flipped or mirrored. Let's get started. By default, the front camera shows a mirrored review, but the photo usually saves normally. If your photos or videos look inverted, here's how to fix it. Turn off mirror front camera, open settings, then scroll down and tap camera. And after that, find mirror front camera, then toggle it off. Now your front camera photos will no longer be flipped. If your videos look inverted, go to settings, then go to camera, then tap record video, then keep default settings. Then after that, restart the camera app. Sometimes accessibility settings can flip this screen. First is open settings, then tap accessibility. Then select display and text size. Make sure classic invert and smart invert are off. Next is restart your iPhone. Restarting helps apply the changes. Press volume up, then volume down, and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Lastly, outdated software can cause camera glitches, so go to settings, then general, then software update, and install any available updates. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.